Hello everyone, my name is Rohit and I am a student Rioel Education. I have been studying here since 1 year and my experience has been truly wonderful. During this time, I completed basic computer skills, Tally Prime software and advanced Excel and also received certificate of all these courses from the institute. Along with that, I joined English spoken classes which really helped me to improve English communication skills. The institute has changed my mindset, confidence, discipline and attitude in a very positive way. Teachers are the very supportive, always motivate us to learn more. Their teaching method are clear and practical, which makes learning easy and interesting. I feel proud to be a part of this institute. I suggest my youngsters who really want to build their confidence. Thank you all my teachers and my institute for giving me this opportunity and represent myself.